Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on cryptocurrencies. So on Monday we have discussed the upside reaction after the agreement have been achieved, at least preliminary agreement between the Joe Biden and Mick McCarthy concerning the debt sale. And on Monday we have warned you that don't be too hasty with the celebration of this recent performance, because it could be just emotional reaction. And by the way, today we will release our new report, so I will show you. You could find it here in the blog. This new report is dedicated to the Bitcoin for the May, and here we take a look step by step on factors, driving factors for the Bitcoin, and explain why we think that it is not really the time to be happy and to expect the really big rally on the Bitcoin. So we think that the bearish factors and activity of the Fed Reserve, the rate change, activity of the United States Treasury very soon should play the negative role in the performance. This might be really significant pressure, not only on the Bitcoin, of course, but on the stock market as well. And recent performance that you see here, that you see on the Bitcoin market, it might be starting confirming our suggestion. Let's take a look on the weekly chart. You could see that a rally in the reversal candle of the previous week mostly and almost totally has been erased by the recent performance. So let's take a look. Significant downward action here. If you take on the daily chart, you could see that currently market is still keep chance on the possible upward continuation. Trend still stands bullish, and it could be really gift if market will form bullish grabber right there. That will be a great opportunity to consider taking the long position with the stop somewhere below these lows or even below the grabber if you would like to. And I would say that market currently stands actually in the vital area for the bulls. This is, as I call, some kind of the culmination point. The culmination points, they will not give you assurance that definitely market starts action in your direction, but culmination points provides and actually stands in an area with the best risk-reward ratio, where the relation between the reward and the risk is the best. And it tells you that if you take position here, the success is not guaranteed, but it's guarantee you the minimum risk, minimum stop that you could place in this level. Why? Just because take a look what we have on the follow time frame chart. Why I think that it might be our bearish performance. Take a look how market actually behaves. On the daily chart, it has touched the OP, retested it, and starting upward action, right? So if we suggest the reversal, that this is major reversal in the bulls, head and shoulders is completed, the market should start rally. Market has to keep going higher, right? It should not return it back down to the lows. Now market has reached some vital areas, so because with this upward action market was not able to complete the XOP, which is also a bit curious if we suggest that's really bullish market, and especially after the rally that we've got. Let's take a look. Even on the momentum of this rally, market was not able to test the XOP. There was no bearish, no overbought, nothing. Turns down to retracement. And take a look, market right now stands at the last 618 support, 2683 approximately, forming downside ABCD XOP target. So this is in fact the last outpost for the bulls, 2650, 2680. That's the area. Because if market will break it down, it will be absolutely irrational from the bullish point of view. When the market on the retracement breaking major support area and just dropping back to the lows, it will tell you that market will take it out of these lows and keep going lower. If it will be able to stay here, and especially if daily grabber will be formed, that will be just perfect point where you could try to take the long position. Because right from here, market indeed could start moving higher, and with the grabber on the back, it suggests taking out of this top. This is important. So, and that's what we intend to keep an eye on. So if you would like to take the short position, watch for breakout of this area. Once market appears down to the downside, breaking down, this will be, well, significant points in favor of the bearish downside continuation. If you would like to take the long position, you could, well, which is actually preferable, wait for the grabber on the daily chart and then consider taking the position right there. For instance, you could watch for something of this kind. So if we are correct, so market should move slightly lower to complete the XOP, right? Because it is not completed yet. And you could watch, for example, for this head and shoulders pattern, taking position based on the right arm later. Supposedly, you could try to anticipate with the placing stop in ahead of the XOP, below this area. But it carries a bit more risk, because if grabber will not be formed, the market will drop. Well, it will be a lose trade for you. But you will get better price entry right there than you could potentially get it on the right arm shoulder. As usual, everywhere should be some balance. So that's what we have currently on the cryptocurrencies. Let's keep watching. Once again, as the bottom line, bears should do nothing, wait for the breakout of this area. Bulls should control the appearing of the bullish grabber right there with the MACD predictor. So you could take a look at here. And watch, be sure that the market stands above this area, and preferably to watch what will happen on the hourly chart. For example, whether these hand shoulders will be formed. If hand shoulders appears there, or daily grabber will be formed, market stay above the XOP. In this case, you could consider taking the long position.